Roda. Doc, for enlightenment po ulit, regarding po as former FNRI, how can we relate po para ma-enlighten lahat na ngayon ay pinag-uusapan natin yung planetary health diet, how can we relate it doon sa existing Pinggang Pinoy natin? Thank you po.
Yeah, the existing Pinggang Pinoy is actually of the Department of Science and Technology, Food and Nutrition Research Institute. It's actually a scientific-based tool, no? Wherein we actually visualize the amount of vegetables and fruits that should be in one meal, and the amount of rice and other alternatives in one meal, and others, no, like the what do you call this, the water, of course, it should be there, and we also put actually milk on the side, no, for young children, because of the inadequacy of calcium intake. And we know very well that milk is actually the main source of calcium that small children will be getting. So, how are we going to actualize? We already have actualized this in the different Pinggang Pinoy, also in our recipes. If you try to look at our recipes, it's actually very low cost recipes. We have recipes like amounting to 25 pesos, wherein we use the neglected, underutilized species. I don't know if this young scientist, if you know talinum. Do you know, see, hindi nila alam, no? Talinum, ano pa ito yung kulitis, no? Amarang, no? Or do you know that kind of yung ating winged bean? So these are the underutilized species. Now, we have a project with Food and Agricultural Organization trying to look at we are scoping actually the use of neglected, underutilized species in the Philippines, in selected areas. Kasi this is actually one way to solve food insecurity in the Philippines, because these are climate resilient agricultural products. They just grow anywhere, but these are actually edible, no, and very nutritious. So these are the things that we're doing at FNRI, and the current one wherein I am involved as a country coordinator is the FRESH project. We will be actually disseminating that results of the project on July 17, wherein we have already installed the end-to-end approach from the production side until the consumption side. It was already addressed. Gaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, we actually reduce the amount of pesticide in our vegetables, yardlong, bean, talong, meron pang mga iba, sponge gourd, mga gano'n, no? Marami pang iba. Nireduce natin yung ating pesticide use and use the good agronomic practices. And alam niyo po, yung yield niya ay mas mataas pa nga kaysa sa yung usual na practice ng ating farmers. So, income-wise ay talagang mas mataas ang income nila if they use the GAP, no? So, ito po yung small but we are growing. Another one is actually trying to, sabi ko nga, dapat yung saray na technology ay dapat ma-implement na at i-adapt na ng ating gobyerno. At ito po ay sinabi din ni Presidente na yung saray na yan ay dapat ma-implement para sa ganun ay magamit ng ating farmers kung saan sila gustong magtanim at kung ano yung dapat na itanim doon sa lugar na yon.
Okay, thank you. So,